Yeah, can you give me another one of those? Yeah, yeah, right there. And some sunscreen here. I'm getting a little red up top here. What? Oh, good afternoon, Yellow Medicine East students. This is Mr. Luft, your principal, and I am excited to come to you live from the beautiful beach shores here at the Hive. Today I have a little update of what's going on here. Today is day 4 of the Hive with no students, and I will let you know we miss you. As you know, my signature sign-off phrase is "We will see you in the hallways." This is a live look here at the longest hallway here at the Hive, and we got nothing going on. It was even so bad that today, when I went in to see SRO Officer Toole, there was some funny things going on. Yes, that is a jelly donut with the box in hand. We have been busy preparing for the return of our students. I stopped in and saw Mr. Walsh today, and he's still looking for them. Due to the recent closure of schools, there are a number of opportunities here that we are providing families due to the recent events. One thing I highly encourage all 6 through 12 students to participate in is the grab and go meals. I want you to reiterate, this is free for the Yellow Medicine East School District. This is free for families. Okay, one question that I've had commonly is, does the reimbursement come from my GMC lunch account? I want to reassure you, it does not. Every day we are expanding drop-off sites, and we need you. Your participation not only helps your child get nutrition, but also helps the school district receive extra funding to provide this opportunity to all families. Currently, as you can see, we are driving to Clarkfield, Echo, Hanley Falls, Granite Falls, and the alternate site at Chippewa Terrace. If you have any information or would like to know how to get signed up, please contact the office here, 320-564-4081, extension 100. Today, as of Friday, we have served over 250 meals to our community. Hello, Yellow Medicine East Schools. This is Mr. Luft. Oh, the lunch program for this time? Yes, it is free. Please stop in either drive-through on the east end of the auxiliary gym, or here, I will transfer you up to the frontier. Yes, it's as simple as signing up your name, getting your address, and we will make sure that we contact you to drop off a free lunch as well as a free breakfast sometime between 11 and 1 o'clock. Thank you. Number of questions recently by students to say, how is this distance learning going to look? First and foremost, as you know, on Monday when we had the 2-hour late start, we made sure that we checked in with all kids to see if they have their Chromebook, their charger, check to see if they have internet access at home. Please, if you have any questions about the upcoming distance or some of the limitations that maybe your current situation has, please contact the office here. We want to make sure that it runs smoothly. I want to reiterate right now, all distance learning will start on March 30th. I want to reassure you that the distance learning opportunity for all students here at the Hive is going to be out of this world. As once again, we will make sure before this initiative kicks off that we will make sure we have contact with the parents, but also with the students about how that looks for you. For any updated information that you are looking for, please visit isd2190.org, our website. We continuously make updates as well as our social media page through Facebook and Twitter. Ending on a sad note, today we said goodbye to one of our students, Bertram. Bertram, thank you for sharing your energy, your smile, your huge personality with all of us here at the Hive. Safe travels, my friend. Good luck, and we hope to see you soon. That concludes today's announcement here from the Hive. Once again, we miss you. Be safe. We hope to see you soon, and we will see you in the hallways.